Hello, in this video we will go over how to create a form and add it to your website. First, we will navigate to a page that has a place for a form. Once we are on the page where we want to add our form, we will click the pencil icon on the box that says Form. Then we will choose the option that says Create New Form. First, we'll set up the details of our new form. We'll give it a title, which only we will see in the form library. We can also choose what the Submit text button says. We'll use Submit Form. We can also choose a thank you URL. Since I don't have a thank you page, I will select the home page for my users to be redirected to after submitting the form. Last, I will choose whether I want the forms that my website visitors email to me and what the subject of that email will be. Then I will choose Save and Edit Form. Now I am at the part where I will build my form. I can choose the options for my form fields on the left. We'll see that we have a heading, a text, an image, a hidden field, a text box, a text area, a drop-down, a radio button, a checkbox, a password, and a CAPTCHA. For this form, we'll keep it simple by dragging and dropping into the form builder area a text box for name, a radio button for OK to contact, text for our instructions for our users, and a text box for their email address. To begin personalizing the form, we will begin in the first field. Over on the right, we'll change the name and label to Name. Name is what we will see when collecting form results. Label is what our visitors will see when filling out the form. Below, we can choose whether or not we want to make this a required field, or whether or not we want to limit the response to a specific type of character, such as alphabetic, numeric, alphanumeric, email, zip, or phone number. For the radio button, we'll change name and label to OK to contact. For the radio button answers, we'll go to Items and change Option 1 and Option 2 to Yes and No. For text, we'll type our instructions in for our users. For the last text box, we'll change name and label to email address. Last, we will want to reorder our form. Let's put the text at the top by selecting the text field, then under Actions, selecting Move Up. Last, we'll save our form. Then we'll publish our page. You can collect your form results from your form library once visitors have filled out the form. And that's how you build and add a form to your website.